Today we're going to take a look at this electric cordless screwdriver from DOINOW. The voltage is 3.6 volts, max torque is 6 Nm, no load speed is 220 RPM. Comes with a carrying case. Looks like the torque and the direction can be adjusted. Interesting. And it's a dial. Wow, look at this. I like it. It's a dial. So 6 being the highest torque. Yes. Awesome. And this is the forward and reverse trigger. Real neat. Lots of bits. User manual. It's USB Type-C charging. Okay, let's take a look here. 5 volts. It's recharging at it's about 4 watts. We can see the battery indicator. It came almost fully recharged. When it's charging, cannot be used. Yeah, the battery is almost full. I like the design. The positive clicking stop for each turn. This is excellent. A 1/4-inch adapter. So it comes with these bits, the hex ones, square ones, triangle ones, and the Torx. Yeah, lots of specialty bits, extension, or the longer Phillips. Yep, so I would not do this unless you really need the tight clearance. Usually, when the extension is used, it's maybe a bit easier to swap out other bits and it has a stronger magnetic connection. Okay. Or one of the most frequently used Phillips, PH1. If you're, let's see if the size is listed here. Yep, all the different screw size. If you're interested in these model numbers, you can pause and read these numbers. It's actually freestanding, upside down like so. Or like this. Cool balance. Yeah, very well balanced. This is a cool design. I like it. Yeah, so it has these bits. And these bits, these hex-shaped bits are pretty frequently used when I'm assembling furnitures. It has just the right amount of torque, I believe. I've used a lot of these kind of screwdrivers, and the torque is usually should cover most of the use case. And if you have the hex driver, the hex drill bit, it should be able to drill holes using this type of screwdriver as well. Yeah, very well designed. I like really how simple this thing is, but when you're using a longer bit, it will not balance well. Yeah, of course. Oh, forgot to mention there's an LED light. Yeah, it's actually pretty bright. And turn off the light. Yeah, illuminates the work surface pretty well. You can use it as a flashlight. And when the trigger is released, the LED light will stay on. And I believe that when it's in the neutral position, it cannot be, the drill cannot be engaged. And you can pull the trigger and use it as a flashlight. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.